Myntri rangbah ka jylla Conrad Sangma, ha ka jingkren kilat pathai khubor, mynta ka janmiet jong tarik jymmang, ula pyntip baka sorkar kalamang, shispa sanpho klur, na ka bynta banbu Kumba spa Tylli ki Cctv camera, ha Kylleng ka Sor Shillong. Myntri rangbah ula ongru, ba ka jingbuh kitei ki CCTV camera, kan Pynduna ki Kam Sniew, bat kan pynsuk ki pulit, bakin yo ki sakhi kiba biang.
Under the smart city, about 150 crores for integrated command and control center has already been sanctioned. The work is already on, and in different junctions you must be seeing high-level cameras being set up. Those are the works. In fact, some people were complaining to me that this IGP junction they have completely blocked the police point. It's been done because there's an installation going on there. Like this, there will be close to about 300 plus cameras all over the city, and these will also be enhanced by facial recognition softwares, and a complete integrated command center near the IT park is being set up, which we expect to inaugurate in the month of July. So, to reply to your question, absolutely, we are upgrading the system. We are on the job, and coming this July, the inauguration of that particular integrated command center with 300 plus cameras. I can't remember exactly how much, but I think 300 plus minus, and with facial recognition software. We cannot say that it will detect everything, but one thing is for sure that it is a strong deterrent. And when these cameras are there in different locations, which we will expand as we move along, it becomes a very strong deterrent because people know that they are being watched and these cameras are there. And we're sure that this will help in reducing these kind of incidents and other crimes in the future. And obviously it will help the state government and the police especially to gather evidence in different situations. But one cannot say that it will completely eliminate 100% because obviously we cannot have cameras in every corner because of obviously limitations. But we will start with these numbers and we'll keep expanding them in the future.